What's up, guys? It's me here, Mrs. Itkiss. Okay, so you guys have done a really good job this week. You listened to 2 stories, and you filled out our comprehension chart on each story. Yesterday's stories, the main character in yesterday's story was named Amina. And if you look at my picture again, I'm not very good at drawing, sorry. I drew Amina and I added details, okay? She has long black hair, brown skin. She had a yellow shirt on, red skirt. She had purple shoes on. I kind of forgot to add those. Whoops. And then some things that she said and did in the story. I know it's kind of hard to see on here, but in my box I said, Amina said, I don't have an instrument. And she was kind of sad about it, right? Because all of these other little children in the story had an instrument to play, and she didn't have one. So she just said, I don't have an instrument. I put a sad face because I wanted to remember that she felt kind of sad about it. And then some things that happened is her friends gave her an instrument. So because of that, I can come up with this conclusion that Amina is happy. She has a new instrument and new friends. Okay, what you're going to do today is you are going to compare and contrast the characters from each story. So the word compare means how are they the same? How are they the same? The word contrast means how are they different? Okay? How are they the same? Oops, I'm sorry. How are they the same? Same, so both my hands are the same. How are they different? So I have one like this and one like this. So I want you to do it with me. Compare means how are they the same? Contrast means how are they different? Okay? So I have posted with this lesson, I have each story posted for you. If you need to go back and listen, you're more than welcome to go back and listen to the story, okay? But right here on my chart, and I'm not going to do the whole thing for you because I want you to think for yourself on this assignment. I'm just going to give you a few examples. So I'm going to give you one example of each, okay? Something that makes Jamal and Amina the same. And I have the word alike up here. How are they the same? How are they alike? Well, they both had on red pants. They did in the story. Jamal had on red pants, Amina had on a red skirt. So I'm going to write under the word alike, both had red pants. Okay? Now, obviously, there are some more things that you are going to be writing in this column. I don't just want you to write this one, okay? Because they were the same in many ways. How are they different? How are Amina and Jamal, let me do my hands, different? Okay? Remember, same, different. Same, different. How are they different? Well, I'm just going to state the obvious for you. Jamal is a boy, Amina is a girl, okay? Now, your job is going to be to fill out the rest of this chart, okay? There are more ways that Jamal and Amina are the same. That's where you're going to put here. What are some other ways that make them the same? And there's a few more things that make them different. So what are some things you're going to put here that you found that make Jamal and Amina different? Okay? So you're going to need to put your thinking caps on and think really hard for this activity, and you might need to go back in and re-listen to each story. This activity is going to take some time, okay? But I really need you to try your best on this so I know if you're able to compare and contrast our characters. Okay, go ahead and get to work. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you turn in.